Adjust the pin to select your desired weight. This machine is in multiples of 20, from 10 to 190 pounds. Adjust the back pad to your desired distance. You can adjust the distance of the leg position by using the screw, and adjust the start and stop position by using these levers. Grab the handles and place your legs on the leg pad, and then slowly push down. Then slowly return to the starting position and repeat these steps. This machine works the hamstrings and calf muscles. When finished, please wipe down the machine. Thank you.